So, this is the second part of our indoor positioning series where we continue exploring the companies that are reshaping how we interact with indoor spaces. Let's begin with the company transforming healthcare. Contact.io. It's on mission to revolutionize healthcare through BLE-based indoor positioning and AI-driven intelligence. By combining real-time location data with predictive analytics, their platform empowers hospitals to forecast patients' demand, dynamically allocate resources, and optimize patient flow. With granular visibility into each patient's journey, Contact.io automates routine tasks and takes care more intelligently, driving patients better experience and improved healthcare outcomes across the board.
Next, let's move from BLE to one of the most precise technologies available today, that is ultra-wideband. Sewio Networks offer a powerful real-time location system built on ultra-wideband technologies, one of the most accurate and reliable solutions for indoor positioning. Their platform combines both hardware and software to support a wide range of use cases, including asset tracking, material flow optimization, and employee safety monitoring. This system is fully scalable and offers seamless integration through a well documented open API, making it easy to adapt and expand as business needs evolve. Now, let's talk about a company that's combining multiple technologies into single unified platform. Navigine, a New York-based company, offers a powerful full-stack indoor positioning system that leverages multi-tech positioning, combining BLE, Wi-Fi, and UWB to deliver highly accurate indoor wayfinding and navigation. Their platform included developer-friendly location SDK, enabling seamless integration of indoor navigation feature into mobile apps for both Androids and iOS. Committed to innovation and openness, Navigine actively supports the open source community, sharing portion of its algorithms to help third-party developers build precise indoor tracking solutions. With continuous R&D and a focus on multi-tech positioning, Navigine empowers businesses to create high-accuracy, real-time location-based application for smart buildings, retail, healthcare, and beyond.
And of course, no discussion on Bluetooth based indoor positioning would be complete without mentioning Quuppa from Finland.
With advancements in Bluetooth technology, indoor positioning has become significantly more precise and affordable, thanks to a technique known as angle of arrival. And Quuppa has mastered this technology. The company was established by a team of experienced engineers and scientists as a spin off from Nokia Research Center and has successfully commercialized its offerings since then, creating a complete product platform. A worldwide ecosystem has grown around Quuppa's technology, from application developers to solution providers to system integrators and tag manufacturers. Hundreds of systems have been successfully applied across various industries. With years of R&D and real-world deployments, Quuppa has set a high standard for what's possible with Bluetooth-based indoor tracking.
Finally, let's talk about the networking giants that already have the infrastructure and are now turning it into an indoor positioning advantage. When it comes to indoor positioning, few companies are better positioned. Companies like Cisco, Hewlett-Packard Enterprises, and Juniper have a significant edge. Their access points are already deployed in thousands of buildings worldwide. Rather than adding new infrastructure, these giants are layering IPS capabilities directly onto existing networks, enabling real-time indoor analytics, asset tracking, and user behavior insights without major hardware changes. We have got Cisco Spaces from Cisco, Aruba Location Analytics from Hewlett Packard Enterprises, Mist AI from Juniper Networks. And these aren't just indoor positioning solutions. They are backed by some of the most trusted names in enterprise networking. With proven security frameworks, enterprise grade scalability, and years of experience managing mission critical infrastructure. You're not just adding IPS, you are extending a platform you already trust. So, with that, we come to the end of our indoor positioning series. But before you go, we'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below if you got a use case you are trying to solve using indoor positioning tech, or if you have already implemented it in your business. And hey, if there's a company we didn't cover that deserves a shout out, let us know. We are always on the lookout for more great solutions to feature.